So one of the nicest things about doing batch processing with Nitro-BOM is you don't have to have anything in session. We can actually pull the data directly to the hard drive or the active workspace. So to give you an example, I'm going to do just a couple of match patterns here for some file names that we're interested in. And notice that I'm only extracting part files. So these aren't in an assembly that's going to be loaded into Creo. They're probably in an assembly, but these particular items we're just extracting the part data for. So I'm going to loop through each of these using the batch processing, and it's going to load each of those into Creo session and extract the data of the all params. You'll notice here that there's still nothing in session. Each of these was loaded individually. So making a simple change to this data is just as simple as making a couple of modifications here. Um, and then we'll just batch import these changes back in. So it's actually reloading each model into memory, making the updated necessary changes that we've asked it to, and saving that data back. So if we come here and let's open up a file, you'll notice that there's still nothing in session. But if we go back to our working directory and pull up that particular part, and then take a look at the parameters that are here, you'll notice that it in fact made that change for us.